How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm your host, Bull. In this video, we will be going over what's happening in the oil markets. So let's get right into this stuff. So today, oil put on a nice gain here of about 1%. And oil right now is sitting at $68.69 per barrel. Gas at the pump has gone up as well. You know, oil will bring up the price of gasoline, as gasoline is an oil derivative. I filled up my tank the other day and I was actually surprised that it was so high. Now, I want to focus on the technicals of oil itself. So right now, like I said, we were sitting at $68.69 a barrel, up about 100%. Yeah, just about 100% over the past year. Oil has doubled. It is in my opinion that oil will be headed to $70 and beyond, back up to $80. But first, we'll have to break through some key levels here. So 70, of course, psychological level of 70 goes back pretty far. Was not really an area of support or resistance going back too long, but I guess you can call it like a psychological level. Never really concretely stayed above 70, kind of teetered between the two, between 70 to 75, never really got above 75 for too long. Well, if we zoom back out even further, we can see that years ago we were at well above $100 a barrel. So it is in my opinion that once oil breaks 70, it's going to be the same as it was back in the mid to early 20 teens, early 2013, 14, we're going to see heightened oil prices along with all other commodities as the central bank of the United States continues to print unprecedented amounts of money, as the Biden administration continues to pledge immense fiscal stimulus to every corner of the world. This is some very scary stuff and stuff that you need to prepare for. You and I need to prepare for this. How do we do that? We bet against it and we become an entity that benefits off of the rising prices. So if you don't want to pay more at the pump, you take out a position on oil and hedge against it that way. This way, you're not necessarily losing money because of rising oil prices. It's offset by the profits that you made by taking out positions in oil. So let's pull up some oil tickers that we have. Here's XOP, which is the oil and gas exploration ETF. Now, XOP is a ETF that we put on a position not too long ago in our Discord. Link in bio. Be sure to check us out. XOP is absolutely killing it. Next level I see here is about $98 and ultimately $100 and beyond. It will definitely get up there in the short to medium term with oil on its trajectory. I just want to see in the short term oil to break $70 a barrel, and then I have no doubt that XOP will break $100. Let's pull up ExxonMobil over here. Again, another stock that we called out not too long ago. ExxonMobil teetering at just above $60 per share. Zoom back out a little bit. I believe that XOM in the short term needs to get up to 65 and ultimately break some of these, ultimately break 65, which over here, if we come back, we could plot out a resistance line that was a support line before the crash in 2020, early 2020. It was a support line that was respected several times. You can see going back here, respected back here all the way in 09, respected over here in 2011, respected again here 2015, respected in 2019, and ultimately now it has flipped as we had broken through the support. Now it has turned resistance. So with XOM, I would like to see us get above 65. We need to break it. And then I would like to see a retest and ultimately head higher towards $100 a share. We can definitely make it up there. But yeah, this was just a short video covering the oil market. Now let's move into the technical / fundamental factors contributing to the price. There was a massive fire that broke out at an oil refinery near Iran's capital. A state-owned Tonguyan petrochemical to the south of Tehran has been struck by fire. This is definitely going to have an impact on the price of oil. Hopefully we can see US oil get above $70 per barrel. That will propel the rest of the energy sector, the banking sector, and ultimately keep adding to our profits in our oil positions. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say today. A bit of a shorter video. Hope to see you guys back next time. Happy trading.